Okay, so we're going to start a series of videos on geometry and the importance of geometric terms. The next unit deals with shapes and angles and lines of symmetry, but before we get into all that, we have to develop an understanding of the most basic geometric terms. This is going to be important because everything that you're going to do from geometry through the rest of elementary school and into middle school and even into high school and college is built with this foundation right here. This is the first brick in your tower of geometric knowledge. Okay? The most common point in geometry is a point. Okay? They look like this. We usually label them something like point P. And a point is just a physical location. It's written as point P. It's read as point P. We've talked about points on number lines up to this point, but as you move through the years, you're also going to talk about points in three-dimensional spaces like planes. But that's for later. If we take a lot of different points and we put them together in one continuous path, we get the next most common geometric term, a line. Lines go on forever and ever in both directions, and if you want a line to go forever and ever, it has to have these arrow points on the end. That signifies that it goes on infinitely in each direction. You read it as line PR, it needs to have 2 points. And in notation, you just put P and R together and put a little double arrow over it, and that stands for line PR. You also have line segments. Now that's not the entire line. A line segment is from one point to the other. So I can have line segment RT on line PT or even line PR. All you need is 2 points on this line to name your line. And it's called line segment RT. You can put the RT together in a line with no arrows over it. Line segments have definitive endpoints. We only want to know about what's going on from R to T. Another special type of line that we have is called a ray. I want you to think about Star Wars. I do love me some Star Wars. And the stormtroopers use ray guns. And the laser comes out of one end of the ray gun and goes on in a continuous direction forever. Rays are exactly that. Rays are like half a line that have a starting point and then go on forever in only one direction. It's called ray. ST, you still need 2 points. And on paper, it's going to have a one-sided arrow on top of it. Ray, ST. So these are 4 of the most important terms in geometry.